Skydive DeLand. How you doing today, my friend?
I'm doing awesome.
And why are you wearing these funny looking harness? What's the plan?
Jumping out of an airplane.
You're gonna go jump out of an airplane.
Yeah.
And any special occasion?
My birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Well, not today, but it's my birthday celebration.
Awesome. And you got your mom here with you?
Yay!
Yay, mama! Alrighty, so before we go, did you understand all the instructions from instructor?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
How about a message to your friends and family who's gonna watch you jump out of a plane?
Y'all are next.
Alright, have a great skydive.
Thank you.
Woo.
Swimming in my head, I've been dreaming on the air, gotta follow what I know. Visions in the night, captivated by the light, I'm surrounded by the glow. Leave your heart behind and give it a break, oh, you'll be just fine. Cross the line. There's nothing to fear, just enjoy the
Welcome back, Steve. How you like that, my friend?
That was crazy.
Happy birthday.
Craziest thing in the world.
Yeah, you gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well done, my friend. Let me take one more photo with your instructor. Let me just help you here.
Alright.
So you're more comfortable. Go next to him. Look over here. Big smile. Yeah.